Di pa nag-uumpisa, tumatanggi ka na. Oy, mas mababa lang ng konti singil ko kay ano kay Phantom. So paano pag parehong kulang, parehong magte-technical free throw? Ilan ba kayo? 1, 2, 3, 4. So walang free throw. Sir, ngiti mo na dyan, sir. Napag-utusan lang ako. Ha? Kuya, paupo ako sa tabi mo
Sir, ano po apelyido? Ano po apelyido?
Aguilera. Ayun na po ang star player ng ayun Grabe Walang kupas Sentro ka pala. May technical free throw, yeah.
Five seconds to shoot. Basket. Score is 5-4. Batch 4-3. Take it 3. No good. Covered by the just number 12. Take it 3. Good. For 3 points. Score is 7-5. Silverado, take it 3. Good.
Grabe
Out of bounds.
Sobra sa buhat.
Castillo. Drive to the basket. The just jumper no good. The just second serving. Good for 2 points. Score is 9-8.
Tira mo dyan, bro.
Now for 10 seconds to shoot. Pahati, Pasu, number 19, Caperal, taking 3, double. Number 9. Number 9, San Roy, Pasu, number 31. Pasu Ravinel, 10 seconds to shoot. The just. Pasu Castillo. Pass underneath, out of bounds. White ball. Mr. Redon, number 12, serving the floor, Pasu. Underneath, pasado malakas. No araw. Abot. Number 9. Number 9, pass to number 31, Castillo, 46, shoot, taking 3, good for 3 points. Khalid, pass to number 24, pass to Redon, taking 3, no good. Number 31, pass to the just, throw the situation, number 9, on alone, no good. Number 9, second serving. Basket na sa foul. Foul on number 77, Nandini. Our score, 48. Number 77, no good. Number 77 again. 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Taking 3, good for 3 points. Number 77, pass to number 12. Pass to number 19, Capiran. Intercepted, out of bounds. Mandatory substitution.
Sub ka muna, bro. 5 out yan eh, pag ano. Kasi 10 kayo eh. Pogi. Tira mo na, nasa camera ka.
Number 13, pass to number 6, good for 2 points. Time remaining 4 minutes and 45 seconds. The Jaws, pass to number 31, jumper, good for 2 points. Okay, pass underneath. Out of bounds. Number 11, good for 2 points. Nakapasa lang. Number 1, pass to number 31, Castillo. Castillo, pass to the Jos. The Jos, take 3, no good. Recovered by number 6, pass to number 13, Topigo. Number 13, Pasu. Agay. Agay number 22, with 10 seconds to shoot, Carlos. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 6, pass to number 13. Number 22, taking 3, no good. shot clock violation. Injury substitution.
Ang nangyari?
Number 12, service the door. Number 12, Paso, Castillo, taking 3, 2, 4, 2 points. Seven, 6, 7, 3, 2, 4, 2 points. The judge with a ankle breaker number, the cover by number 22. Number 32, Mr. Ragay. Pass number 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3 points. Time remaining 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Number 31, taking 3, number. Number 5, 4, 3, number. Number 31, Castillo, Perman, reaching balls in number 76. First personal foul, second team foul. Time remaining 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 12 to Joss. Number 12. No good. Recovered by number 31. Number 12 to Joss. No good. Castro number 11. Number 11, taking 3, 2, 4, 3 points. One minute and 30 seconds. Number 31, no good. Eleven, 3, 4, 3 points. 35 seconds. The Jaws good for 2 points. 25 seconds. 15 seconds remaining. The Jaws good for 2 points. And the first.
Yan, para sa'yo. Bagong dating ka. Pogi, kamusta?
First shot good. Second chance good. Then nakakating score all 27. Number 77, pass to number 12, and done. Number 12, to Josh. Good for 2 balls. Predon, breaking 3. Good. 1 people. Kings favor na. 1 point lead para sa Vans 2-3-29.
Okay, sumunod sa report tayo.
Number 9, Predon on that pass to number 77.
Para tingnan po yung ato na.
Number 2 for 2 balls.
Wato rin na, ako naman yung katay na. First time, pasok!
Number 12, pass to number 31. With 10 seconds to shoot, no good. Number 4, with the jump shot, no good. The John. Foul on number 4. Paratang's first personal foul, first feedback. Castillo, taking 3, no good.
Okay, first technical pro, pasok! Silver, Asichenko, Vans. Pasok na talaga. 1-0. Pasok pa rin. Alright, 2-0 ang ating score. Saan ka? Oo, saan ka? Okay, sige.
Mr. Andy Pastor. Number 12, right now, taking 3, good, 2 balls. Our score is 31-40.
Good. Pura. Sana baliktad, baliktad pa. Baliktad. Okay.
Grabe lang yun, Jaman. Pakita ng skills si Pahati. Jaman na doon with 12 seconds to shoot. Castillo taking 3, no good. Recovered by number 31, pass underneath. Not the ball. Number 12, Reda Pasu. Number 24, Pasu number 77. 33, no good. Number 4, Pahati. Pasu number 77, Blanc underneath. Number 9, intercepted by number 12, Brandon. With a traveling violation. Intercepted by Pahati. Pasu number 19, Pasu Pahati. Jelly good point, 2 points. Out of that. Seven.
Okay, konti na paligdik. Naghihilamos lang.
Mandatory substitution.
Konti na lang. Konti na lang.
Galing.
Good work towards the judges. Nama further din yan. Number. Pero ay pushing bola number 1. Second shot. Castro. Pass number 6. Pass number 5. 23 number. Pass number 1. Pass to the Joss. The Joss. 33. Pull up. Number 22. Aga. Pull up. Number. Number 22, pass under number 6, pero may sumabit bola number 8.
Pusat para Rodrigo.
2 foul shots para number 6, Lopez. First shot is good. Score, 12-point lead para sa batch of 3, 99. Second shot is good.
6 minutes and 30.
Number 29. Pass to the Joss, number 12. With 12 seconds to shoot. The Joss. Pass to number 1. Number 12, taking 3. Blocked by number 76. Kulay. Patrick, number 22, good for 2 points. Number 20. Number 8. Pass to number 20. 15 seconds to shoot. Intercepted. Still by Aguilera, number 5. Number 5 for 3. No good. The Joss. Pass to number 31, Castillo. The Joss. No good. Good ball, 2 points. Number 22, Mr. Raga. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Castillo, good ball, 2 points. Good ball, 2 points. Number 7-6, Carlos. Our score is 35-52. Lowest 17 ang lead ng Basho 399. 23 Castillo Lagun. 1 minute and 45 seconds. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Pass for 3. Four people. Out of bounds. Timeout. But 93. 53 ang ating score. Number 20. 16 runs. Number 20. Still by number 20. Kuya kang Jausan Beriner Robin. Still by Aguilera. Aguilera taking 3. Robin. Alright, for 3. Robin pa rin. Still by Aguilera. Good for 2 ball. The team seconds to shoot. Number 1. Pass it over to 5 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds to shoot. May foul si number 5. Pasok sa orasan. Foul number 5. Aguilera. Holding foul. 21-15. Number 12, the Jazz Robert. Number 22. Number 22. Pass out of it. Number 6, Lopez. Good game. 2 more. Out of bounds. Seconds to shoot. 5 wala na oras. Good for the West Side Castillo. The team seconds to shoot. Aguilera taking 3 over. Foul number 76, shooting foul.
Traveling violation.
Tingting lang. Pwede ko siya yan, ha? Dahil ka ng tao. Sorry, dalawa na. Good job by Ventura, the big man. Ganda ng pilit! Kaso wala.
Thought awareness, hindi ko maano.
Ano ka ba? Tira eh. 38-19. Ito si Castillo. Castillo. Tira. Maganda si Keita. Nakatayo lang. Okay, go pass. Ganda ng pilit. Ganda ng sunod pass.
Castillo, take 3. No good.
Sa kabila doon, bigyan mo lang siya. Wala na katigit eh. Oo. Sabi tawag. Sabi tawag.
Simoy, tema natin.
Hey! Ito ba rin? Kanta naman! Alala? Kung sasali ng crossover, makakali na mga ano.
The first subdivision finals, good for two.
Inaman ang people. Okay, trouble talaga yan. Inaman ang people. Trouble talaga yan.
Number 9, start over. 15 seconds to shoot.
Ay, ang ganda!
Aguilera, 22. Good for two.
Ranger time out.
Danger time, subdivision.
Sabi po, sir. Takin siya, takin.
Okay, tawag mo na. Napunta ng foul.
Paragan. Ano sila sasabi kayo?
Okay, napunta na siya. Sige, wait natin natin.
Yo, pwede po sir, pwede. Ay, bola.
Sige po.
11 seconds to shoot.
Ay, dalawa ka na ha.
10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Basket.
20 to 19. Lumalayo na. 6 minutes, 10-2.
Goal foul by out, foul. Number 1.
And first, turnover.
2 seconds.
Wala pa. Matutulog tayo. Wala pa.
Oh, basket.
May 1 minute pa tayo.
First and shoot, second throw.
Shoot!
Basket. A score is 69 to 42.
Touching ko na naman. Magandaan na ating
Castillo.
15-2.
Ilan na po.
Ay, nakakuha ng foul. Foul number 3. Iligaspi. Sino na ka? So check ko na.
Una by Castillo.
Tama nila. Patay ka na.
The Josh.
First people na, ha?
14 seconds to shoot. 6 minutes and 11 seconds.
10. Sino ba?
Castillo, good for 50.
Sorry.
Agay for 3,
Warning for penalty na ha.
The Jaws take 3, 11. Carlos Gutierrez
Last break, tatap tayo.
Ramon San Ramon. Save
Stop. 3 puntos. Oh, 2 points pa rin. 44-22 ang ating score.
double. Predal na malalaman siya sa Predal Torres. Paso number 20 to take 3 level. Predal pa rin. Aguilera for 3 level. The Jaws, the sniper, the Jaws level.
Rebound, Ignacio.
Tiga, Pura, level. Followed by number 76, Tugo.
Basta ng break. 44-24 ang ating score.
Third seconds to shoot.
44-26. Ignacio. 7 pa nating run.
Good for Tugo.
50 to shoot. Oy, salamat. Time out. Tayo.
Seconds to shoot. Castillo, lagot. De La Cruz, pass to number 6. Agay, good for 2 points. Score is 44-75. Number 31, Castillo, pass to number 8, taking 3, no good. Intercepted by the Jaws. The Jaws, pass to number 31, taking 3, no good. Out of bounds. Up to the boot team, number 12, Rendon. Number 12, the Jaws, with 10 seconds to shoot. Number 31, no good. Castro, outlet pass, intercepted to the Jaws. Number 12. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 to shoot. Fairway fouls in number 6. Holding foul, 2 shots para kay number 31, Castillo. First shot's good. Second throw.
Agay, pass to number 24. Number 24, ganda, pass naman kay number 6, good for 2 points. Number 13, pass to the Josh, taking 3, no good. Time remaining, 2 minutes. Number 6, good for 2 points. Number 20, pass to number 1. Pass to number 21, Castillo. Castillo, pass to number 20, good for 2 points. Number 12, Brandon, pass to number 22, Agay. 15 seconds to shoot. Got a pass kay number 6, pero may sumabat pala number 8. To down, 2 shots. First shot's good. Second shot is good. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter. Good for 2 points, number 31, Castillo. Agay, nalunod. Masyado malalim. The just number 12, pass to number 31, pass to number 20. Number 20 with a spin move, no good. Other pass to the door, pass to number 22, good for 2 points. 35 seconds. The Josh with 15 seconds to shoot. The Josh, pass to number 8, no good. Other pass to net, number 22, Agay, no good. Number 32, taking 3, good for 3 points. 45 seconds remaining. The Josh, basket.
Diyan ka na hanggang mamaya. Diretso na yan next week.
Number 12, pass to number 4, Halili, good for 2 points.
Second game. 99 days versus
31, Castillo, jump shot, no good. Brandon, and naman, pass to Pahati, good for 2 points.
Parang namimitas lang ng prutas ng mga to.
Silangan naman ang pula.
Number 1, pass to number 9, number 31, number 1, jump shot, no good. Brandon, other pass kay number 4, Pahati, taking 3, no good. The Josh, taking 3, no good. Number 77, pass to number 12, number 12, taking 3, no good. The Josh, pass to number 9, Stan Roque, good for 2 points. No good, Rivoli. Castro, good for 2 points. Number 9, Stan Roque. No good.
Sunset. Tubig.
Castro taking 3. No good. Rebound by number 77. Putata. Tejos. Tejos. Pull-up jumper. No good.
Ito ang pinti. 2016.
Gus. Good. 44. Castillo. Good ball.
Good job.
Pahati. Good ball. 2 points. Number 1. No good. Good ball, 2 points.
54-59. 15 naman.
Busog sa assist si number 4.
Tira agad. Wala.
Castillo, good ball, 2 points.
Nakatayo lang. Wala talagang karga. 56-59. Ito pinabalit. Oh, lalo! Nakatingin sa malayo.
Number 12, lumusot sa dalawa. Good lang po, good lang.
56-41. 8 minutes to play. 15 seconds to shoot.
San Roque, good ball, 2 points.
15 to shoot. 3 na lang.
Jajos, 33, no good. Castillo, no good pa rin. Magana na. Baka na magloko. Last game. No good. Pahati, nagtupad. Awat na ito. Pahati, good ball, 2.
Alam ng 15. Alam mo.
Jajos, Castillo. Castillo, good ball, 2.
Shot na natin muna. 59-25. Nakabawag sa kanya.
Agal, pasto Pahati, good ball, 2 points. Di na mabaya yung mga nag-aas kay Pahati. No good?
Nakatayo lang.
Aguilera.
Sa kanya ka rin yan. 29-45.
Aguilera for 3, no good.
May nakakatapos ka doon.
Ba't kasi lumabas ka pa? Ba't lumabas ka pa?
Iba talaga ang mahaba. Ventura.
Luka Doncic.
Pero na ng break. Busa. Puro para laban na laban. Ayan tayo kasi. Tambol. Bola putih. Jangan tambol tayo. Oy, kung talagang ikot sa studio, ito talaga.
Sorry. Pass number 77. Number 12. 33. No good. Number 5. Aguilera. With the side step. No good. The goal by Aguilera. Pass number 12. Brandon for 3. No good.
Pogi.
Number 9. Sandra. Pass number 12. Just good for 2 points.
Player ba tayo?
Number 22. Number 77 for 3. Good for 3 points. Look at that. They just for 3. Good for 3 points. Agay. Agay, ginagawa. No good.
51.
Number 12 did just for 3. Good for 3 points.
Number 3, Sinigaspi.
Agay, taking 3. Paso Halili. Paso number 4. No good. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Last 2 minutes. Halili taking 3. Good for 3 points. Leto, paso number 4 Pahanti. Fadeaway shot no good. 1 minute and 25 seconds. They just for 3. No good. 55 seconds. 45 seconds.
Oh, shoot.
Congratulations, that's a 399. At nasibo sa ating batch 93. Sa pinakita na, maraming salamat po.